Hi, I am Kishore Kallan Mandal. I am the developer of Rockodex. Today I will show you how to change content of your site. This is your site landing page, and if you want to change the content of your site, you need to log in your admin panel, and you need to write /wp admin, and we provide you the username and password via mail, and you put this information for the login page. After login your site, you see the dashboard. This is our dashboard. You can change your content from here. Now I click visit site. This is our site, or this is our dashboard. Okay, it's loading. Okay, now which part you want to change? If you want to change your phone number or email address, you need to go HTML block. If you click HTML block, you see so many blocks are here. This is services. Do you need more information? And this is our top phone part. I put it in top phone number. When you click the edit button, and in here two tab is present. This is text or this is visual. Now the text tab is active. Now I click visual tab, and you need to, if you retype your number and click the update button, then automatically change your phone number in here. Again, if you want to change your email address, then you need to go all HTML block, and this is a top email address is here. Click edit button. When you click edit button, just click and type your email address and press update button. When you click update button, then automatically change your email address in here. Okay, now I close this tab, and if you want to change your banner image or text, then you need to go slider, scroll down the menu, and you need to go bottom side of the admin panel, and this is the smart slider. Click the smart slider menu. In here you see this some banners are present is here. Now you click edit button, this is your slider 3, slider 2, slider 1. Click edit button, this is your background image. If you want to change your background image, then you need to click background, click image, just click here, and upload media library. This is your media library. You can choose image from here. If you want to choose your image from your computer, then click upload files tab, select files, and select where the image is. I click download and choose the images. For example, any kind of images, just open, and then select, then automatically change your banner image. I don't do it, I just close this option. And if you need want to change your text, In this way you can change your slider image. Now if you want to change your banner text, just double click this text and type your text. When complete, then click the save menu. You can change header, this text, and all these texts are present in another layers, and you go to separate layers, delete this text and type or paste any text of here, then automatically change the banner text of your site. This is the banner on banner. Then you need to go another slider, then you need to press back to sliders and select second slider, and you see the same option to the second images, and this is their third slider, and click the edit button, then you can edit your slider in the same way. And if you want to change we repair of section, then you need to go HTML block, all HTML block, and I name this section we repair. Go to we repair. Where is we repair? Right. No, this is not. iPhone repair, you need to go iPhone repair. This is iPhone repair. Click the edit button. Now you can select iPhone repair, retype your text, and if you want to change the paragraph, select and type your text, then you can change your text in this section. This is iPhone, and you can find iPhone repair, Samsung repair, everything is present here. And this is the footer email address, phone number, and this is the address of footer section. This is the footer phone number. You can change it from here, and more information who we are, everything you can change from here. Services means this is our services, then you need to change from here. You need to press edit button. You can see the text and the paragraph. Just paste your text, then automatically change. I type it text, goes here, update. When I click the update button, service available, When I refresh the page, the text appears in here. Okay, I just under text update. Refresh the site. Okay, it's come back again, and this is the gallery image. If you want to add image or if you want to delete image, then you need to go gallery, photo gallery, add gallery images. You can delete the image by press delete button, or you need to add image, then you need to click add image. And add images for your local computer, or you import for media library. It's save the WordPress media library images. You can select images from here. Otherwise, if you want to choose your image from laptop, then you need to click add images, then upload files. You can also drag and drop image in here, then automatically comes images from here, and at last you need to click publish button. Okay, now I will show you how to change services or repair option: smartphone repair, tablet repair, laptop and computer repair. Then you need to go repairs, and if you click all repair, then you see all repair types in here. Okay, you can edit by click the edit button, or if you want to add new service, then you need to press add new menu. I press the add new menu, then I add new repair service. I think screen damage SC, and this is the short description, details description. And price, I select it 0, and which category you want to put this screen damage. I select repair type iPhone 2G, iPhone 3G, all models is here. Okay, I select smartphone, Google, and this is the icon. I select outer icon. You can see outer red icon in here, and this is your feature image. I select browser image type Samsung. I select this image, set feature image. After all this, just click publish, and I see the repair type in Google smartphone. Google publish. Okay, refresh our site. Go to our smartphone repair. Here is Google iPhone Google repair. Click the Google repair. Smartphone repair. Google. Smartphone. HTC. Refresh our site. Services smartphone. HTC. Screen damage. In this way you can add services from here. Now if you want to delete these services, you need to press move to trash. Just click move to trash. Now refresh the site. It's gone. Now I click services smartphone repair. HTC repair. It's gone from here. In this way you can add services